again. Yep, gotta put up with this beautiful, handsome, gorgeous princess ugly mug again. Yep, that's a shame. I'm sorry about that. Well, in today's episode, in this episode, I'm gonna do a cold start. Do a couple of cold starts. Well, right now it's minus 50 degrees right now. Or no, it's 100 degrees right now. 101 degrees right now. Yeah, it's a little warm today. Well, I thought for the sunshine part of it, do a cold start at 100 degrees. Well, hot start. Do some hot starts, more like. Yep, it's 100 degrees. Well, why the hell do I have my coveralls and coat on? Well, if it's over 100 degrees out, I better take this stuff off. Oops. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? It's 101 degrees out and I had my got a million coats on. Oh, I messed up big time. Look at my hair. Hey, what's up, bro? Just kidding. Well, we'll get on with the hot start. Start off with the Ford Danger. What the hell? Who's in there? There's a skeleton in my truck. Well, we'll do a 100 degree hot start, cold start of the Ford Danger. Oh. Let's fire this thing up. 100 degrees. E-brake on. Clutch in. Georgia overdrive, neutral. Now I bet I can just turn the key and it'll fire up in a nanosecond, because it's a Ford. It'll fire right up. Oops, maybe. Maybe. I took a couple of cranks. Oh, it's running. Well, that was embarrassing. I said this Ford would fire right up in a nanosecond, and guess what? It took a couple of tries. Get out of my way. Can't see nothing. Oh. Get off of me. Piss me off. Gotta turn my air conditioning on. I mean, well, somewhat of an AC. Doesn't have air conditioning, so I just fire up the cool air. And this is my air conditioning right here. That sucks. Roll the windows down, that's your AC in these old trucks. Now I can see. Go for a quick rip. Barked at. Second. Truck can make it to the beer store and back no problem. Well, go fire up the Hyundai, see if it starts at 100 degrees. Look how sexy that Ford Ranger looks. I will do a 100-degree cold start of the Hyundai before my camera dies. Phone might overheat here pretty soon. It's getting hot. Oh! Ooh! Feels like an oven in here. There's a microwave in here, an oven. Alright. 100-degree hot start of the car. Hyundai Accent. We got contact. What the hell? Hush! Stupid dinger. Here we go. Yeah. That took a nanosecond for it to start. Well, since it's so hot out, it's not even, it didn't go up to high idle. It just fired right up and it's idling at low idle. So, we'll take this for a quick rip. Woo! Turn that ice wind up. Take the beastly Hyundai for a quick rip. See how it does at 100 degrees. There's reverse. It's a wimpy automatic, can't shift it. Turn the AC down so you can hear the engine. Where's first? There's second. Shifting and automatic. Slam to them gears. I don't know. Nice driving car, gets the job done. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Getting barked at. I have to body slam them dogs. Well, that's it. That's a couple of 1,000,000 degree cold hot starts and a quick rip around the block. Oh, it's an oven in here. Woo! and make me sick and have diarrhea. It's so hot out. We'll meet again. I'm signing out.